Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your game. Make a full backup of documents/electronic art/The Sims 4. Once done, confirm in game options that mods and script mods are enabled, then quit and restart the client. Next, navigate to documents/electronic art/The Sims 4/mods and make file extensions visible so you can spot package and TS4 script items. Do this now because accurate file identification saves time later. Misnamed files are a common source of errors and wasted effort. Now you systematically update. Open each mod's README or download page and confirm compatibility with your game patch. Once confirmed, replace the outdated package or TS4 script files, moving originals into your backup subfolder so you can revert if necessary. Organize mods into folders by type, script, CAS, build/buy, because grouping reduces load conflicts. If you prefer automation, run a conflict detector tool to flag overlapping resources. Otherwise, proceed with manual checks for duplicate mesh or finish by testing in-game. Create a fresh save, watch the loading screen for custom content notifications, and confirm scripts show up in mods. If you encounter crashes, disable recent additions and reintroduce them one at a time to isolate the problem. This binary search method quickly narrows the culprit. Make note of any log entries and use your backup to restore a working set if needed. Finally, only re-enable the full collection after several stable launches, and keep backups for every major update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.